Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here in a new construction home where the homeowner has complained about the shower head not pumping out enough water. All the sinks have great water pressure, but the showers do not have enough water pressure. So I looked at it and I said, okay, maybe it's just a lousy design. And I took it off. I just basically used a wrench and kind of unscrewed it. And I immediately saw why this thing was not having enough pressure. See that little blue thing in there? That is called a water restrictor. A lot of these faucets or a lot of these shower heads come with them now simply because they help reduce water, and there's actually, in some parts of the country, there's actually laws that say you have to reduce your water usage. That is what that is. Almost all of these things new come with these in them. So your shower head's probably not broken. It's probably not all gunked up yet if it's fairly new. What's happening is if you have low water pressure is you have a water restrictor in there that's preventing water to come in. That's exactly what it does. It just sits in there and it doesn't allow all the full force of the water of your home to go right to the head. It kind of slows it down a little bit. Now, to get these things out of here, real simple. You're going to go ahead and use your pliers and you're just going to reach in there and kind of grab it and yank it out. Now, I'm going to save this one for later. I've got other ideas for it. But here's a brand new one that I bought. It's also a little kind of a squirty shower thing. Same idea, brand new, straight off Amazon, and look at that, shower restrictor. With this one, at least I had the instructions that mentioned, hey, it's got a shower restrictor. So I'm going to use my needle nose pliers. I'm going to reach in there, and I'm just going to try to twist or yank it out. And there we go, yanked it out. So now it was in there. Now look at that, straight hole in there. That means I'm going to get the full pressure of my water through the pipe, through the hose, right through here, and there's no little blocking mechanism to go ahead and prevent that water from getting to me nice and strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back up. I've tried showing the pressure before in water. You really can't tell, it just shoots out a lot, but I know I'm gonna feel it. So that's how you remove a water restrictor. Almost every single new shower head has it. Just go ahead, use needle nose pliers, yank it out. You can probably go ahead and throw that away. That's all there is to it. Your showers will be much, much better. You can thank me in the comments.